Hello, Namaste, and Assalamu Privet. Today I'm going to create a beautiful mandala art for this Durga Puja. It's super easy and you can try it too. All you need is a sketchbook or any drawing paper and this amazing circle making tool. First, place the tool on your sketchbook and find the center point. I'm using an empty pen refill to mark the center through the tool. It makes things so simple. Now, let's start making the circles. For the first circle, I'm using the third hole on the tool. Then you will notice a semicircle marked R15. Just below that, I will draw the next circle. After that, I will use the fourth hole and R20 for the fourth circle, then the sixth hole and R30 for the next one, and finally the last hole and R40 for another circle. So that's how we use both the tiny holes and the semicircle markings on this tool to get perfect circles. For the final circle, I am using the outer edge of the tool itself to draw a last circle. This is how it looks once done. Now I will add one more outer circle. For this, I am keeping the sixth hole as the center point, and from another part of the tool, I am selecting the fifth hole to draw the circle. And that completes all the circle work. For the rest of the design, I will switch to a time lapse. As you know, I have some lighting issues, so I had to finish it quickly, meaning that designs aren't as perfect as I would like, but I'm sure it will still be helpful for you. See you in the next video.